In this video, I'll be talking about data visualization with SPSS. So for data visualization, we intend to design charts and graphs that will be used to present our data. So in this video, I just want to do something very simple that will be easy to follow. So I'll go to graph, I'll go to chart builder, and then allow this to open up. So let me just reset everything. So when you open this is what you get. So I'll go ahead and pick. Now when you look at this down here, you can choose from bar, from line. You want to do a line chart, area chart, polar chart, histogram, box and whiskers, and all that. You can see there's many options that you can easily pick from. So whatever I want to do, I want to do a simple bar chart. I'll just pick this and drop it in this box. And then I'll just pick the variable I want to do a bar chart on. I'll pick it and bring it down here. You can see that the box changes color once I hover on it. I drag and drop, and I drop it in there. I can change this count on the y-axis to percent table. This way I can change it. Click on it and change to percent. Then I'll click on apply. So once I've done that I'll click on OK. So this is the chart that comes out of that maneuver. So for me to edit this chart now, I will just double click. I can expand this so that I get so that double clicking brings me to the chart editor. If I want to change the background, I'll click on it. You can see that there's a line that just surrounded the background of the chart. So I can change the color of that to, let me change it to orange. If this is orange, but not in this orange or whatever. So, but I don't like this color. I'll just change it to white. I love white. So then I'll change the chart itself. See, I click on the chart. You see this line surrounding the chart. That's highlighting the chart. I'll make it black. Black is a nice color. Then I can also edit the background, the outer background actually. So just to make it more beautiful, I can change this right up here. I can just edit. If I click on it twice, a box comes in. So I can actually write just to correct that. So I can actually change the color there, but I don't want to change it. I can add value labels to the chart by clicking on this. You can see the value labels are there. Can also add extrapolation lines, but I want to change this interpolation line to like a spline. You can see it here. So then I click on apply. You see it there. So I'm done with that. So once I'm done with chart editor, I'll just go out of it. Whatever I've done down there will be affected here. See it here. So this is just it. So I can go ahead and copy it. My chart is ready, and I will send this particular chart to the group. So you can also do the same thing. Thank you so much.